everyone, on this Driveway Tips, here's a quick video on how to disconnect and reconnect the battery in your BMW 7 Series G11 or G12.
First step is to disconnect the battery. Pop the trunk and lift up and remove the floor panel. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the negative battery terminal and set it aside. You might want to tie a towel around the trunk latch to stop it from closing on you.
And now, reconnecting.
Reconnect the battery. Remove your anti-lockout trunk device. Replace the floor panel. And you're done.
And that is how you disconnect and reconnect the battery in your BMW 7 Series G11 or G12. What would you like to see us do a Driveway Tips video on next? Let us know in the comments below.